Hey, still spending too much time verifying patient insurance manually, making phone calls, logging into different portals? My name is Zach Lopez, and I'm the sales director at mConsent, and I'm here to show you how our insurance verification tool can streamline the process and save you valuable time. With mConsent, you can either enter in the patient data manually and check eligibility, or you can search an existing patient by just selecting their name, and it'll automatically pre-fill all of this information for you. Once you check the eligibility, it's going to verify the insurance in just 10 seconds. It's that fast. Once you've verified, you can view the report and upload it directly into your practice management system, and you'll see that below. mConsent also simplifies your daily workflow by automatically verifying insurance for all upcoming appointments 48 hours in advance. That means you'll know ahead of time if there's any issues with coverage, giving you peace of mind. And check this out, if you're looking for even more convenience, make sure to ask about our Insurance Concierge, a brand new feature that takes insurance verification to the next level by handling everything for you, providing a detailed report and getting it into your practice management system, so you don't have to lift a finger. We're looking forward to talking to you.